Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and in continuing with the OG series of the BAPE collection that I have, we're going to start off with something quite special. As you can see here, this is the ABC Camo Green Beach Sandals. Alright, this is an OG piece. It was released quite some time ago. And how do you know it's an OG piece? If you look at the dust bag, it looks about the same as the current dust bags that you see in the BAPE stores. This one is the slightly larger one that comes with shark hoodies and hoodies in general. But back in the day, as you can see here, there is a zip opening. Right. So back in Nego days, back in the OG days, the dust bag had a zipper. Alright, which is pretty cool. And the sizing of the item is actually denoted by this sticker here, which is the honeybee. As you can see here, this is a size medium. Alright, so because this is a piece of footwear, it also comes with a special tag, which is the foot soldier, size M, color green. This is the model number. Alright, BAPE Star. So this one comes in two sizes, which is medium and large. So if you are size large, if you are size perhaps US 9 to 11, you might want to get a size large. But because this is so hard to get, I only managed to cop the medium one. So normally I can use this, pass this to my wife. So let's check this out. Easy and simple. And I just wonder why, with the new management, why didn't they just stick with the old method of just having the zipper on the dust bag. I don't know why, but right here you can see in the shape of the ape head. Alright, the sandals right there is embedded. Hopefully you can see that. And of course you've had this kind of blocks here to keep its shape. If you see some of these sandals online similar to this kind of item, I think it comes in a first camo yellow as well as green, but this is a ABC Camo Green, which I believe is far more elusive, far more exclusive, and harder to find. If you find some of them on eBay or some other resellers, this plastic portion here would have turned brown. Alright, so luckily this piece is still very much in mint condition, I would say. Alright, still quite transparent, very transparent. Alright, so if you go to other places, if you manage to find one, probably it's very used. Alright, very discolored, and of course this portion here would be yellow or brown. Alright, so thankfully this one is still kept in pretty good condition. So as you can see here, L, R, left, right, and in the middle this is actually a embedded keychain. You can see here BAPE Star, and they also have the keychain piece here which you can remove. Underneath is all plastic right there. So let's have a look at this. Alright, it's just a molded piece there, but it's very thick. Alright, so you can use this as your keychain, which is pretty cool. And of course the sandals, which you can easily peel off right there. Okay, so I am a size 11 and a half, so if I try to wear this, let's have a look. Alright, these are meant to be for the beach. So as you can see here, size M just barely works for me. Alright, so according to the specs, medium should go up to about maximum of 10. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm a size 11 and a half US, but I guess you can fit, alright, pretty much snug. Alright, not a big deal. Both feet, so pretty cool. covers most of my feet. It's good. Alright, so that's enough of that. Let's have a look. So you can see here the ABC Camo green sandals. It's very vibrant. Alright, it's very cool. And of course you have this rough surface on the sole, which is good because it provides with a lot of traction, which is what you need. So definitely an everyday sandal, but it was targeted for the beach, of course. And if you can see here on the left side, it says here, ape shall never kill ape. Right there. Nothing here. And on the right side, same thing. It says here, a bathing ape. Pretty dope. Now, is there anything else on this piece here? Don't think so. I mean, you can remove this, but I don't know what is the purpose of this piece, so I don't think I want to remove it. So yeah, definitely a very nice novelty piece, you know, nice to add to your collection. Alright, so if you want to flex it on your Instagram page, definitely a cool piece to flex. And yeah, OG pieces definitely go up in price over time. Alright, since especially when those items were released during Nego's time. So it's very easy to put back right there. And of course, you got the keychain. Just put back here. Good for your kids as well if they want to learn kind of assembly. So have a look there. ABC Camo green sandals, beach sandals, or to me it's like everyday sandals. So hope you liked the video. Subscribe, comment, and follow me on IG at LKHOE23, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.